Hi, 7th graders. This is Miss Dupe. This is Wednesday, August 25th. Today we are talking about order of operations. Please make sure you put your name at the top of your notes first, and also make sure after you're finished with your notes that you put this in your binder. So first we're going to talk about the order of operations. So the first thing that you need to check for is letter P of PEMDAS, which is parentheses. The next would be exponents. Then you would both, why'd I only put a U? Multiply and divide. And then you would add and then subtract. Now, I'm sure you know this already, but just to review again, multiply and divide are kind of on an equal playing field, so you can multiply or divide at the same time, it doesn't matter. And same as adding and subtracting, those can happen at the same time, it doesn't matter. So just so you know what each looks like, parentheses are our little grouping symbols, and that just means that the things inside the parentheses you need to take care of first. Exponents you're not going to deal with today, but exponents are when you have a number with a tiny number on it. The tiny number is our exponent. Multiplication, you guys know, is our times sign. It can also be a little dot as well, so you need to be able to recognize both of those symbols, but today it'll be the X as the times sign. Division is our regular division symbol. Addition is our plus sign. Subtraction is our minus sign. And we do have a couple examples where we also have a negative number, which also has a subtraction sign just in front of it. So our first example here is 2 times 3 times 5 plus 6. According to order of operations and PEMDAS, we need to take care of the parentheses first. So 5 plus 6 is the first thing we have to do in this problem. So we're going to bring down our 2 times 3 times 5 plus 6 is 11. So after we're finished with that, since we just have time signs left, we're going to work from left to right. So 2 times 3 is 6 times 11. And our final answer is going to be 66. So number 2 on your paper, once again, we need to take care of parentheses first. So inside the parentheses is 17 plus 3. So first we're going to do 17 plus 3, which is 20. We're going to bring down our minus 16 and divide it by 4. The next thing that we need to do is divide. Division comes before subtraction. So we're going to take care of our 16 divided by 4. So 20 minus 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now we have minus 4 left, 20 minus 4, sorry, which ends up being 16. So number 3, we have 2 sets of parentheses, and that's totally okay. We're just going to take care of one set at a time. So this first set of parentheses says negative 1 plus 5. Negative 1 plus 5 is basically saying you owe your friend $1, but somebody else is giving you $5. So if you already owe a friend $1, but you get $5, you really only have $4 to play around with. We're going to bring down our times sign, and then we are going to do our other set of parentheses. So 12 minus 8, which 12 minus 8 is 4. So then we just need to figure out what 4 times 4 is, which is also 16. You guys, I made a bunch of problems that have 6's in them. Okay, number 4, we have multiple numbers inside the parentheses. We have 3. They all are just negative addition. So we're just going to work from left to right. So negative 5 plus 46. So once again, you owe somebody $5. Somebody gives you $46. That means that you're left with just $41 to spend because you still owe. We still need to add 9, so we're going to keep these parentheses around it, but I'm just going to show my work. And we still need to divide by 5 at the end. So once again, we're back in the parentheses. 41 plus 9 is going to be 50, and we're going to divide by 5. So our final answer is 50 divided by 5, which is 10. All right, so now you are going to do the practice paper that I have for you. So make sure you get that practice paper. You are going to work on it in class. If you don't finish it in class, then you can bring it home, but make sure you bring it back and put it in the tray so I can grade it.